But there's me.
Oh, how long's left?
I have never seen anything like this. Luckily today the terrain has been really good. Yeah, it's been good underfoot and I've managed to make some decent progress. So, oh, hang on a minute. No, this is what I'm dealing with. So I was supposed to finish on Wednesday. I'll probably finish in December. You have no idea how glad I am to see this sign here. My foot has gone back to square one where it was on like the original day. Because I'm walking weird on that, like everything else is aching. Look, Helmsdale. Oh, I've been aiming for this all day. The good news is we're by the sea. The bad news is it's dark, so we can't see anything like this.